guys, the real Davis Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to play your Terraria Mobile Worlds in your PC version of Terraria. Yes, you could absolutely do it. No joke, this is actually my mobile world. If you don't know what it is, you could actually look back into my videos and you can see this world in my old Terraria videos. This place over here, this lava, and I'm only using this one hand and I'm lagging. And this is where everything is. This is actually my own. This is actually our hacked world made by Mech99. So since the update came out for 1.3, of course it's gonna be removed. So, but anyways, you could actually play it on your computer with no problem at all, unless whatever. You can see here are my stuff. It's actually Unreal Terrablade. I hacked this before the 1.3 update. This is actually my old character, my main back then. If you could look back through my Terraria videos, you can see this character over here with these equipment on. But his hair is kind of darker than the old one though. But anyways, guys, we're gonna hop into the way into doing this, and yeah, let's go right into it. If you don't really get what I mean, here's my Terraria, here's my iPad, and here's my main character back then. So I'm gonna play him, and this is the world that was shown in the computer, which was the boss fight. So I call it, actually it was not boss fight, so we actually, Mech99 and I are gonna give a different name into it, and I don't know what he's gonna call it. So here it is, the world, and my character on my mobile, and maybe you could just notify me that later because I don't really care that much right now. So here, everything, and my Unreal Terrablade is really hacked. Everything you see in the PC version. Yeah. This world has been made in 2017, and it's still on my iPad for a very long time. And I think in the new 1.3 update, it lets me to open my files now. So I actually transferred this world into my uploade 3S, and yeah, I have a file manager because my iPad is in iOS 12, and I can do that. So here's everything. Oh damn it! Oh no! So here's everything that was shown in the PC. And I'm gonna show you how to exactly do all of this right now. But do keep in mind, if you do put it in your computer, and if you try to put it back in your mobile, it will not work. Your character, or yet the world, will not load. Because this is 1.3.5.3, and this is only 1.3.0.7.1. So, since there are different versions, you can't put back the data from your computer back into this particular mobile device you're using. So anyways, let's get right into it. First of all, we're gonna delete these two, which is Mech99 and me, because Mech99's character was made on my iPad, so he's not me, okay? He's a different person. So we're gonna delete these two. We're gonna use this guy, and so we're also gonna remove boss fights, but I actually made a backup for this so I won't lose everything that I just put in here. So we're gonna delete this world. Now it's gone, and we'll just move right into it. Now we're recording on my iPad, so here's my computer, and here are the files. Here's my Terraria file. So go wherever your Terraria file is, and you will find these. Your players, and your worlds, and over here. So I'll just show you that later. So in the worlds, see that here are your worlds. So now what you're going to do is you're gonna put you're gonna put your phone to the computer. So you're gonna need a USB for that. So since I'm one-handed right now, I can't really put the USB on. So I'll just put it on my CPU then. Alright, now that I've connected it, you open your phone, and then I guess it's gonna show this transfer files, transfer photos, or charge only. So I'm gonna click on transfer files, and then over here gonna appear is the phone you're using. So it's also this one's gonna appear too. So open device and view files. Whatever. Ah, my memory's full. I've been downloading a lot of stuff. So now you go to your Android data, then find com.games505.terafate. So here it is, and you open that, and then go find your players and worlds. So here it is. So here we have David09 or whatever, Storm Wizard. So you copy these two, then go to where your Terraria is, and there we have it. So now we're in my Terraria files. What you're gonna do is right click, then paste. Then there's my player. So now next, if you want to put the world, you'll have to go do the same process again, but this time you're gonna go through the worlds. So go find that, and then you'll see your boss fights and whatever this world is. So you need to put these two and the players too. If you did not put those two, it's not gonna work. So you copy these two, and then put it in your Terraria. Put it in your Terraria file, worlds. Then what you're going to do is paste it, and there you have it, your world. So now what we're going to do is we're gonna open Terraria, but okay, so we're gonna open Terraria. Yeah, it's gonna load now, so let's just wait for that. There we go. There's Terraria, it's now loading the real logic and everything else. Right. As soon as you open it, see my characters in here. Really works. So now we're gonna click on him, and boss fights really is here. So I'm gonna put that in my favorite and then play. So as you can see, it really works. It's not a scam or anything. I'm one-handed right now, so I can't really trigger that. So anyways, I'll show you guys one thing though. So hold up. So we're gonna go to the exit this. So since the boss fights world is a normal world, it was considered as normal world in the last version of Terraria Mobile. So when I open it, it's considered as unknown world. But when you open it on your mobile device, it's gonna be considered as tiny world, because the computer version hasn't really read this yet, because this is kind of good. So I don't know much about it. So anyway, so I'm also gonna show you what happens if you try to put your character into your mobile device that was put on your PC. I'll show you will not work. Right, now that I put it on my phone, so here's the two files of my one world in my computer. Then hold on, going back to my, then look here, I really did put it, and then here's my main character for the PC version, Real David 09. So now we're gonna open my phone and we're gonna see if it works. Look here, you can see that there is nothing. And if you even try to play it, you see it's open by the the boss fights and the world. So I try to open it. You can see it's just gonna do that. It's not gonna move. So in that case, you have to like exit the game. Anyways guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to hit that like button, share, and subscribe, or otherwise my way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, or you can even just comment. But here I am using my main character in this world, and yeah, that's it. So if you want to see this world again, you can actually look back at my old tutorial videos, which is only mobile because I never had a PC back then. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to hit that like button, comment down below what you think, or share, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't. So, guess you're gonna see some more Terraria fun in this channel. Whatever. Whatever, guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and peace. Goodbye.